Welcome back, everybody. This is your boy Augusto, back at it with another install vlog for you guys. As you guys probably do not know, I did install the Rizoma stealth mirrors on the S1000, and I didn't have any turn signals in the front. So I opted in to go ahead and order the NRC LED turn signals for the front. Look a little bit more stealthier and also more visible in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and test these out. I'm going to attempt to install this for you guys, obviously with the title of the video. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys are been subscribers or new subscribers, thank you very much for your continuous support here. I know for a fact that with other people installing this specific LED turn signal with the stealth mirrors, they do run into an issue in terms of the holes not aligning. So I will need to drill the holes a little bit wider in order for us to perfectly fit them on the S1000. So that being said, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into unboxing this thing, and I'll show you guys what the product looks like. So stay tuned. So right off the bat, as soon as you open the box, you are greeted with a bunch of Moto Million stickers, because we ordered this through Moto Million. So shout out to Manny at Moto Million for having these in stock and being able to ship them to me as soon as they could. So I do not have a specific discount code for me because I'm nobody in terms of influencer, but to have you guys save some money, I did use 650 EEB, so that's 650 IB, to save yourself some change, just to, you know, save your money in regard to any motorcycle parts. So 650 EEB, I appreciate you having that discount code for all of us motorcycle enthusiasts here. So go ahead and check out the actual product. All right, without further ado here, this is what we have. We have two LED turn signals, obviously for the front. It did come with some installation hardware and also a link to their YouTube channel here in case if I need any assistance on installing these two LED signals. So that being said, I did mention that I might need to drill these holes a little bit wider, 1 and 2, just so I could fit the bolts through comfortably and being able to adjust a little bit more to my liking and have a flush fitment on the fairings. So that being said, let's go ahead and try to uninstall the stealth mirrors off the bike and then install these. So for you guys that are wondering what the Rizoma stealth mirrors look like and you guys are not familiar with it, this is what they look like here. I'm not going to fully move the motorcycle out of its place because it's going to be doing too much. I just need to access this whole front end here that literally just take, I believe it was T25 or T20 torque bit hardware, and then I should be able to access the wiring that is in that area. So Rizoma stealth mirrors on the back side here, you do have, let's see if I can get a better visual, you do have these two bolts or nuts there that you have to take out. Now these two right here might not align perfectly with the NRC, so that's why I'm probably going to need to drill them a little bit wider. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, we took off the Rizoma mirrors, the windshield, and the little guard that was right here. So what we're gonna do now is obviously take this other one off and then drill the holes. And by drill the holes, I mean, as you guys can see there, we had to enlarge the holes on the outside just to be able to adjust it a little bit better. So that being said, I will do that to the opposite side. As you guys can see, this is a lot bigger. The holes are a lot bigger than this side. So this side. So let's get them matched up. You guys can see here, this is the before and then after. So now let's go ahead and match this to this. Alright guys, so we're going to test it out. We have them all together there. Let's go. Turn it on. Right. One side. Okay, the other side. Okay, let's go ahead and do hazards. Boom. and then turn it off. Wonderful. Plain and simple. The fitment's not going to be perfect, like what my girlfriend said. They're aftermarket products, so they're not always going to be perfect. So if you guys actually see here, if nobody tells you that they're really not that noticeable. So very sleek. Hopefully these will last me a while and they don't go bad. Knock on wood. Just wanted to check. So overall thoughts on these, I would say it's okay. I mean, they're good products for what they are, and they are going to be hopefully as bright as the OEM, if not brighter. So let me go ahead and button everything up here and give you guys my final thought. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the install for today. It was pretty much easy. I just needed to do a little bit of fabrication, which is completely normal for aftermarket products. So NRC LED turn signals for the S1000RR. Rating out of 10, I'd give it, say, a 7.3, only because of the imperfections that it came with, but also fitment. So that being said, I will end this video here. Hope to see you guys on the next one, whatever that may be about. Maybe take you guys with me when I get this thing. Actually, I'll just save that for the next video. So that being said, stay tuned for what's to come for the S1000RR. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm signing out. I want to go get dinner. So, your boy Yakuso signing out. Peace out. And like always, stay positive and be awesome. Peace.